What's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to create a frozen text effect on Adobe Photoshop. So create a new document with a width of 6 inches with height of 3 inches and a resolution of 150 pixels per inch, color mode of RGB color, and 8-bit color mode. So hit OK. Click on the paint bucket tool. And select your color, the foreground color, and make it color black. Click, and then you have black background. Next thing is to create a text. So click on the horizontal type tool, then your text area, and you can resize your text area whatever size you want. Okay, so select your font style. Make sure that your font color is color white in order to appear on your background. Then start typing. For example, your text here. Then click the check. So next thing you do is to click transform, where you can find it on the edit tab. Then rotate it to 90-degree clockwise. Then click on the stylize filter. Then wind effect. Rasterize, yes. So the direction of your wind is from right, right, and click OK. To add more wind effect, just click the filter wind, or just hold Control F if you want to add more wind effect. So back in the original text, so rotate it again, rotate to your desired position of your text. Here you go. Then position it, arrange its position there. Perfect. So next thing you do is to add some blending options on it. So right click your selected layer, which is your text, right click, then click the blending option. So as you can see, there is a pop-up window. This is the blending option window. Click on the texture. So make sure that your texture is good. Select the first texture because it is very close enough to ice effect. The first one. Okay. Next is color overlay. Click on the color palette and choose the lighter blue or the cyan to make your text more effect. So next is the outer glow. So size to your, just some your opacity and the jitter. There you go. And the outer glow. So you had your eyes text effect on Adobe Photoshop. Please subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.